Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today's a really special one. I think the most special unboxing on the channel. Well, not particularly this video, but stuff in this package right here. A buddy of mine, Zen from the Motorsports group that I met him through, he sent me a couple of fidgets to check out, and yeah, spinners, sliders, and stuff like that. And yeah, I am really excited to check these out, to be honest. Was really shocked that he would trust me with these. And yeah, and some of these I may keep, like we're working out a deal right now, so some of these things may stay on the channel. So I'm really hyped about that. Hopefully it goes through. And yeah, let's get to unboxing. Also, don't forget to check out our channel sponsors down below. Use my code Daily Dose of Fidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already. I have a lot of crazy videos coming soon to the channel, and you don't want to miss them. So yeah, let's get into it. I already know what I'm going to unbox in the first, well, not unbox, but like show you guys in the first video. It'll be in the title already, so yeah. But the other stuff I won't show you guys in this video because it's like in the case. And yeah, I just have to open up the case off camera and then open up, review the fidgets one by one. So yeah, let me just open this off camera. Wow, he packed this thing really nice. There's a lot of this stuff, confetti. Here's a case. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. He said that there's a key in here somewhere. So it's not in here. Not in here as well. It's making a mess. The longest box opening on the channel so far. Oh wait, here's the key. Alright, I don't know what that is. Actually, what is this? Oh, okay, got it. Okay. Alright. Here's the key. I'm gonna open this and then take out the first item. Alright, how to open this thing? Oh my god, it's like air sealed. That is really cool. Wow, I am looking at these things right now and my goodness. Okay, so we're gonna be starting off with this one. All right, I'm gonna be really careful because these are not mine, and I told them I would take really great care of them. So I'm gonna close up the case real quick. All right, put the box aside. Let me get the card of authenticity out for that thing. Here it is. Stainless steel, 8 out of 18. This is the pearl white stainless steel Magatama. Alright, so I don't know if you guys have been watching the channel, but I also have one in stainless steel. But this is blasted stainless steel, I believe, yeah. Let me see if I can get the card for this thing. I'll be right back. Alright, here's the box, but I don't think this has an authenticity card because it's not like a limited product. It's stainless steel. Does it have one? I think it does. Yeah, it does. Oh yeah, there we go. So this is mine, the stainless steel blasted. This was made in 2023, 320, and then this was made in 2023, 76. So yeah, pretty cool. Here's my stainless steel one. I'm gonna put it off to the side. Have them as far apart from each other as possible. Wow, that does spin nice. It's honestly a great spinner. So if you guys see, these sides may look different from each other, but they're balanced because they just flipped. That's how it's so balanced, and I can spin like this. So I'm curious to see if there's a large weight difference between these because of the inlays. I don't think there's that much of a big difference, but let's see. 69.34. 74.43. So I guess there is like 5-gram difference. Let's have them up side by side. There we go. And this thing, the stainless steel blasted, is available on G1. I have reviewed it. You can also use my code. There's a Fidgets to get 10% off. They have like stainless steel, titanium, superconductor, zirconium, and tungsten actually too. So yeah, check them out down below. And yeah, that's crazy. Looks really nice, to be honest. Both really balanced. Yeah, no wobble issue whatsoever. Let's see. Let's open this up and see what's on the inside of this thing. So it's like, I think it's a hybrid. Yeah, maybe. I'm not like the best at bearings, but I think I know a thing or two. Yeah, this is a full ceramic right there with cages. And then this one is like, oh, I think this is like maybe ceramic cages, and then this is like steel cages. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I think that's what that is. So yeah. And then these buttons. Let's see what the weight difference is in the buttons alone. All right. Here we go. 17.12. 18.8.5. So yeah, there is a lot difference in the buttons. All right, so I'm gonna put it back together now. Like this is, wait, one sec. All right, I thought this had more holes on the side. Thought I missed that, but yeah, same amount. Here we go. Let's put it back together. So yeah, this is also pretty rare as well. Only 18 made. There's 99 of these made in stainless steel. But yeah, this sounds good. And it's nice to spin. Wow, that's amazing. So yeah, that'll be all for this video, I guess. Nothing much more to talk about. Here's another comparison up close. It's a really nice shape spinner. It's really easy to spin. Really balanced. No issues there. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna put this to the side. And yeah, I guess that's all for this video, guys. Again, if you guys want one of these, I don't think this is available on G1, but you can check out G1 down below. They have this in stock. A lot of different materials, just not this one, I think. Yeah, use my code Fidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already, and see you guys in the next one.